named 100 Jamaican YouTubers. I've named 100 Jamaican artists. And today, I'm gonna be naming 100 Jamaican businesses. Why? To get a sponsorship. Right? So I'm gonna see if I can secure a sponsorship with one of these businesses through the good old fashioned Instagram DM. First business we have here is Digicel Jamaica, and here we go. Ooh, how can I get a job at Digicel? Can I buy a phone online? I'm gonna ask them a question that they're not expecting. Hey, Digicel, Fimicel, can I get a sponsorship? Yeah, just yeah. I think that gets the point across. And then I'm gonna literally do this with 99 other businesses. Bruh. And actually, just so you guys know, I do have 99 businesses ready and raring to hit up. So I'm gonna continue with this. Let's try and get as much done as we can. Next one up is Flow Jamaica. Reach a Flow, you know. Let me message them. Hey Flow. Oh, this account can't receive your message because they don't allow new message requests from everyone. I hate this. I'ma still DM them. Alright, there we go. KFC Jamaica, let's go. KFC. Love the chicken. Oop. Hello Shamar Casio, thanks for messaging KFC. We try to be as responsive as possible. We'll get back to you soon. Not the automated message reply. How about a partnership? Alright, there we go. Island Grill. Can I get a sponsorship? And I'm gonna freaking put the standing man emoji. It's necessary. Juicy Patty. Hey Juicy, aka Best Patty in Jamaica. Alright, I'm a local YouTuber and I made a video testing all the popular Jamaican patty brands and you guys came out on top. Here's the video. Hope we can work out a partnership in the future. What if this actually works? I'd love it if Juicy actually responds to me. I don't know. Juicy, the ball is in your court. Alright, you guys. Mothers. Hey, mothers. Can I get a sponsorship? No, wait. Shoot, I said love less your chicken. This might as well do the next party place. Tasties Jamaica. I'd switch it up a little bit now. I'm asking them for a voucher. For a voucher to give away to you guys. The taste is cheese now. Taste is cheese. Wait. Is that? Oh yes, I have it. Tasty cheese. Tasty cheese. More like tasty, please. Next up is Domino's Jamaica. Your guys' pizza? Let me tell you, I actually really like Domino's pizza. Domino's pizza goes, it's bossing actually. Pizza Hut. I'm gonna send the literal exact same message that I sent to them. But let me just copy and paste it. I think smarter, not harder. I think I'm gonna just like literally come up with a default message that I send them after I do some kind of compliment or something. Make things go faster because it's literally 100. And how many have I done so far? 10. And I have 90 more. Guys, I'm at the point of the video where I'm just gonna literally speed on it. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. One. 50% message. The Wi-Fi is acting up. Alright guys, so a little bit of an update. Yeah, I've been trying to send this message to Hilo. As you can see, there's a text there. And it is still loading. It's acting up. The Wi-Fi or data or whatever I'm using, so it's acting up. I think I'm gonna have to continue this a little later. As I usually do, but we should continue to these businesses. I think I've done about 25 or 22, so somewhere around there, that one. So a part of the way there. Let's keep it up. Alright guys, so a little update for you guys. It's looking good so far. I actually got responses fairly early. I think it was like probably 4 hours after I sent those messages to them originally. So I got a response, and I'll put up the screenshots on the screen, but I got a response from Scotiabank, from Island Grill, from KFC, and from JP St. Mary's. The JP St. Mary one is probably the one that's looking the most promising, which is good. And that's only like 20 or 21 of them, so I have a lot more left to send. I have like 80 more to send, so I'm gonna continue doing those off camera. But at the same time, I'll keep y'all abreast. So keep watching. gonna lie to you, it's been probably like 2 weeks since the last time I DM'd a business. I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible though, guys, because the year is finishing. I really need to try and get this done. I'm trying to get to this as fast as possible, but because of life, you know, happening and the things that I'm participating in, it always takes a while for me to go through these lists. But we're back on the grind today. And I think I just now messaged number 61, Kemlani married. Well, so I'm gonna continue, just about like 39 left or 40 thereabout, because I think I'm a little bit over 100. So full speed ahead. Alright, so I've successfully messaged all the businesses that I can until I reach the limit. Right now, they might show me this. Whenever I attempt to actually message Grace, this is what I get. Something went wrong, please try again. Then basically I said that only happens because, yeah, you see it come up again. It only happens because when we reach the limit to the amount of people we can message. So I have to wait a little while. But I'm going to show you who I've messaged so far. So you have Carl's Malta, Jerry and Nephew, Smirnoff AC Hotel, Circle K, Ashley Home Store, some others. There you go. But I did get a couple responses. I got a response. Well, this is an automated response, I'm pretty sure. This is one of those automated ones from Lucky Dollar JA. Just a regular. Nothing serious. I'm not gonna respond to it. Well, I'll probably I'll double tap it, yeah. And I got one from Frito-Lay, which is a more legit one. But then basically just deny me them must say them not doing no collaborations at this time, and that's fine. Just to get the response is good enough. And Ashley Home Store, they doubled down on their automated responses, which is interesting. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's the update. Nothing more. Last person my message was Carl's. And I think Carl's was number 75. So just about 20 more left. Just about 20 more business, or 25. Just about 25 more businesses left. And guys, I do have some exciting updates. So continue watching, because hey, this video is definitely a success. That's as much as I'll say. It's a success. And keep watching. Stay forward to the end, because something really interesting happened. Very interesting development happened. But keep watching. I'm gonna continue trying to message these people. I'll give you guys another update. Message these businesses. I mean message these businesses. They're not people. Well, technically they are people. Anyway. Alright, so finally several days later, I have finally finished messaging all of them. All of the businesses over 100. I think it's actually, I have the list right here. How much is it? 100. I think it's around 101 businesses that I ended up messaging. I'm gonna give the ones that I messaged today some time to reply. I already started getting a couple replies, as you could have seen in like the last clip. But I'm gonna check back with you guys in 3 days, and we're gonna just total up everything, all the responses, and I'm gonna show you guys one of the coolest things that actually has happened because of this video. And let's just say the video is a massive success. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so I'm back, and here is the consensus. So I messaged over 100 different Jamaican businesses, and I did get a good amount of responses. I think I got a quarter amount of the responses, but let's just go through them. I'm gonna put up the screenshot right here of the different responses that I got. Alright, so I got a response from JP St. Mary's, I got a response from KFC Jamaica, I got a response from Island Grill, Scotiabank Jamaica, Hilo Food Stores, Ports Jamaica, Starbucks Jamaica, Burger King Jamaica, Popeyes Jamaica, Creamy Ice Cream, Best Dressed Chicken, Price Smart, Lucky Dollar JA, Ashley Home Store, Frito-Lay Jamaica, Red Bull Jamaica, AC Hotel Kingston. Literally I made a video there. That's crazy. The last few was Coca-Cola, Maggie, Little Caesars, Grace Foods, Maxi Department Store, Really Great Yogurt, Butterkiss Snacks, Jerry and Nephew, Charles Chocolate, and I saved the best for last, Taste the Cheese. And it's safe to say that this video was a success from the get-go, from me literally already just getting the first reply. But Taste Jamaica, guys, they took it a notch up. They took it a step further. This conversation that I had right here, they said, "Good day, we aren't currently doing any collaborations, but you can have one of our Tasty Cheese mystery boxes." And best believe that I followed it up. and you guys wouldn't believe it, I actually did end up getting one of the little boxes, the mystery boxes. I went and collected it, and that's how I'm gonna end off the video. I'm gonna show you guys the footage of that day that I went and collected it. It was so cool. It was literally so cool, and I was a little bit like nervous because I was wondering if it was like a scam or if like, you know, I just wasn't too sure about it, because I mean, I just DM'd them and I guess they checked out my YouTube channel and they just offered it to me. So I found that very like unexpected. So the whole time I was kind of, anyway, I'm gonna stop mumbling, guys. Thank you for watching. Continue watching because this footage is actually really interesting. And yeah, shout out to Taste the Cheese. Alright guys, so we're here at the address that Tasters told me to pick up the package at on Hope Road, 16 Hope Road, Unit 3. So we're gonna go in and see. And in my video, let's see if this is actually real. I'm hoping that it's actual thing that they okay, bro. Adlib Studio. Crazy. This is it. No, 10 the other way. 10 the other way. It's upside down right now. Guys, so we're in the studio now. I gave her my ID. She's gonna look for the package now. I guess it's legit. But yeah, I'm excited. They can't find my name. That's funny.
He got scammed.
This is such a funny end of the video. This is funny.
Why do you think I got so many followers?
But seems like they know of tasty. Like,
Nah, yeah. Nice official one.
Thank you. Guys, I actually got it. I was not expecting, well, no, I was, but I started to get the excited because I was like, oh no. I got scammed. Oh, we got it. Let's unbox it. Alright guys, so it's a PR box. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that real quick. No, you got it. Yeah, zoom in on that. Yup. PR box right there. Zoom out. Zoom back out. Let's start. Woo!
It's exactly what you thought.
So it's a tin of cheese.
I'm gonna quick zoom on that.
Quick to oh, it's a big. I think it's one of them big ones.
Yeah.
And a nice
shirt though.
A shirt? No, it's a bag.
Damn.
It's an apron.
Win?
It's an apron.
That's a dub?
Yeah, it is a dub.
That's a dub?
It's a dub. Ooh, it's an apron. Nice. Actually, the fact that they actually gave me this and all I did was really reach out, that's a big W. That's a big W. So guys, big up to Taste the Cheese for one, for the reply, and two, for actually following through with it. Like, I was not expecting that, so big up to them. Shout out Taste the Cheese. I'm gonna enjoy this with some bun. And yeah, buy Taste the Cheese.
Nah, you're not getting paid for that.